I've grown up taking part in sport, being coached in sport, and that's all I've ever known. I've gone through being a young instructor to now a senior instructor within karate, and that's something I wanted to take forward and working with those elite athletes to one day achieve their dreams. Hi, my name's Grace Barron, and I'm studying sports coaching here at Edgehill. I came to Edgehill on one of their open days, and straight away I saw how much of a family that it was, and that's something that was really important to me. Coming from a smaller college, I wanted that same feeling. I wanted that family feeling and that team feeling. A really valuable point to me was that my course meant something, and through CIMSPA, which is the Chartered Institute for Management and Sport and Physical Activity, that backed up my degree. So when I go forward into the working world, I've got something valuable that actually means something, and it's accredited. I think one of the really surprising things about studying sports coaching is realising that you're going to be the impact that makes a change in a lot of people's lives. My lecturers hadn't just gone through the education system and gone on to lecture, they'd worked in the environment, they've been at the top clubs and they've experienced it, and that's the most valuable knowledge that they're passing on. Within my course of sports coaching, we're going to spend a lot of time in the field, out on the pitches, we're going to spend a lot of time in sports halls. We've also got the labs, the strength and conditioning labs, biomechanical analysis, which is state of the art really. But we've also got the gym, the swimming pool, the sauna, the steam room, so there's something for everyone. Through Edgehill, I've been able to go through so many amazing opportunities, but one that stands out the most to me is working with Wigan Athletics Football Club with their academy players on a work placement, which has allowed me to work with young athletes, pass on those theory skills that we've learnt in lecture into practical, and that show that it does make sense, it does work. You can be the reason that person decides to wake up and go out for a run, but you can also be that reason why someone wakes up and goes to school and does their education. As a female athlete and a female coach, they've empowered me not just to break down the barriers, but to take that step forward into the future of sport.